Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikhil Sheoran and I'm a first year undergraduate student at BITS Pilani Goa campus. Today, we'll be talking about something important. Alia Bhatt. Just kidding, we'll be talking about NFTs. We'll go over what NFTs are, the good, the bad and the ugly side of NFTs and why taking a screenshot of an NFT won't work. So let's start with what NFTs are. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens, which are digital irreplaceable tokens verified using the blockchain technology. Most NFTs are made on the Ethereum blockchain, which works on a proof of stake mechanism. In simpler words, without using too much tech jargon, it's kind of like verified profiles online. When you see a blue tick, you know that one is the original one. Similarly, with NFTs, you can establish who owns the original piece of anything by getting it verified by the blockchain network. Now, there are a lot of advantages that NFTs have to offer. First, they let you establish a proof of ownership over something, thereby providing better monetization opportunities for artists and creators, and also a secure way of maintaining and transferring ownerships. For example, let's say if a singer releases a song as an NFT, then you can buy that NFT and that will help support that singer. Or if the government one day wants to digitize all the land holdings and decides to use NFTs, which is by the way very unlikely, that could reduce fraud and help improve traceability. Moving on to the not so good stuff about NFTs. Owning digital goods like land or clothes is, to be honest, useless. If you search Google for buy digital land, you'll find hundreds if not thousands of such platforms selling digital land. But what exactly is this digital land? Well, it's nothing more than a single record in a company's database sitting on some server in whatever part of the world. If you own digital land, does that mean you own that land in the real world as well? Not at all. Does that mean you own some kinds of rights over that place? Again, no. In fact, all it means is that when you go to that one specific platform in which you bought that digital land, they'll just say, oh hey, this land belongs to you, and that's all. Unlike physical land, digital land has no purpose, and it's not limited. Companies can create as much digital land as they want to cash in as much as they can. Second, when you pay to buy an NFT, it just proves that you bought it, but you're still not the owner, which means that you have no intellectual rights over it. In fact, you do not have any kinds of right over it except for bragging rights. And now the ugly side. At least today, NFTs are not being used for the purpose they were originally intended to. Greedy business people use it as a way to create hype and make some quick money. In fact, most of the NFTs that you can buy today were not even made by artists, but were actually mass-produced by computer algorithms. Now, you might have a question, which even I had. What's stopping someone from just taking a screenshot of an NFT instead of buying it? Think of NFTs as more like entry passes to a community. Just like you use a ticket to prove that you paid for a movie, you can use an NFT to prove that you're a part of an NFT community. The only other reason you might want to purchase an NFT is if you genuinely want to support an artist or a creator. Apart from that, at least today, NFTs are not a viable investment option because of the huge risk involved. That's all for today. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.